Hi everybody, I'm Professor Sandeep Gupta, and if you're watching this video, then you have come across the best resource in order to develop your option list for Cap Round 1 and Cap Round 2. I hope you know that for your Cap Round 1 and Cap Round 2, you are supposed to fill an options list in which you will give minimum 1 and maximum 300 options. Now, what exactly an option is? So every option is basically a college course combination. So what that means is, so let's say you want to do computer or IT engineering in some particular college. So in your options form, you will basically give these options. So your first option could be VJTI, the best Mumbai college. Okay, computers. All right. Your second option could be VJTI, let's say IT. Your third option could be SPIT, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, and that is, let's say, again, computers. All right. Next one could be SPIT. Now, in SPIT, IT field is not there, so you may give something like data science and so on, which is there in SPIT. So basically, an option list looks like this, in which you have a list of options where every option is a combination of the college and the course. Now, what happens is, in order to develop this options list, one has to do lots and lots of research. I repeat, in order to develop this options list, you have to do lots of research. That means you need to find out the cutoff in each and every college. You need to find out how good the placements are in that particular college. And you need to make these decisions based on many other factors like traveling distance, the tuition fees, the minority status of the college, and so on. And after spending considerable amount of time, the student can finally figure out that what options he or she needs to put in the options form, in the options list. Now, here's the good news for you. Now, what we have done is, after doing months of research, after compiling, after analyzing lots of data about the Mumbai engineering colleges, we have created an option list, a ready-made option list for each and every stream of engineering colleges of Mumbai. So now all you need to do is just select the stream you want to go for. Okay. So whether you want to go for computers or mechanical or electronics, so that is all you need to do. Once you select the stream which you want to go for, all you need to do is you need to use our ready-made options list. Okay. Now, how exactly do you do that? Let's understand that. Now let's understand how to use the option list generator which we have created. So come to our website engineeringminds.in. Then over here you can click on this button visit option list generator. Okay, so I click over here, or you can even directly come to this particular link www.engineeringminds.in/option list generator. Okay, now you just need to fill these details. So I fill my details, Sandeep Gupta, my email ID. I'll put my phone number 9821882868 and I click on send OTP. So now I'll receive an OTP on my phone, which I need to enter over here. Okay. So I get the OTP, which So whatever OTP I get on my phone, I paste it over here, 408698. I click on verify OTP and then I proceed further. Now, when I proceed further, I come across a screen like this. And over here, you see something like select your stream here. Okay, select your stream here. Now, I have decided that I want to do computer engineering. Now, before I move further, let me talk a little about computer engineering. Okay, please be attentive. Please understand what exactly am I saying. Now, here onwards, whenever I say computers, okay, if I say that, let's say you want to do computers, when I use this term computers, I would mean not only computer engineering, but I would mean the entire family of computer engineering, like computer engineering, information technology, artificial intelligence and data science, artificial intelligence and machine language, cyber security, Internet of Things, and so on. I hope you are aware that these days many Mumbai University colleges are offering these courses. Okay. Now, please understand one thing that all these courses are equally good, okay, are equally good, and they are 99% safe. That means the subjects which will be taught in these courses will be almost same. And I know this because I personally teach these subjects till the last semester of engineering. So let's say you are trying to get admission into some very good college, and over there you are not getting computer engineering seat, but you are getting a seat in cyber security. So what should you do? Should you take it? Yes, 100%. In your last year of engineering, when a placement company will come for placements, that placement company will not make a distinction between computer engineering and cybersecurity or information technology and data science. All right. So go for any of these fields. Okay. All of them are basically computer engineering. Okay. I hope you understand that. Very few people know about this. And because of this, what happens is that in good colleges, seats of cybersecurity, IoT, AI, ML, they remain empty. So you should take advantage of these things. Sorry. Anyway, so now once you understood this, let's go back to our website. So you have already decided that you want to do computers or similar engineering. So now all you need to do is you just need to click over here. See, you have already decided computers, computer engineering or computers. Okay. So now once you have decided your branch, okay, you just need to know the colleges you should apply to. By the way, let me also tell you one more thing. The most important thing is that first you should finalize your branch, and you should not change your branch of engineering as per your college. So it would be a very wrong thing to do to go for civil engineering in VJTI, whereas you wanted to take computers in some other college. Okay. So never ever change your branch as per your college. First decide your branch, whatever you want, and then figure out the colleges. Okay. By the way, we talk about these things in detail in our seminars. Okay. In this particular video, I have put a link to my seminar. It is a 3-hour seminar. If you want, you can watch it in detail. In that seminar, we explain the admission process also in great detail. Anyway, let's move further. So now I click over here. And now when I click over here, see, you will see a list of all the colleges in decreasing order of importance. I repeat it, in decreasing order of importance. Okay. So we have done research of months and months. Okay. We have considered the cutoff in many colleges, the placement, the track record, the quality of students. And accordingly, we have compiled this list, which you see over here. All right. Not only that, what we have done is we have applied some filters also over here. So if you want only Western suburb colleges, you can click here. Okay, Navi Mumbai colleges, you can click here. And these are all colleges. Not only that, you have a button of download as Excel sheet. So when you click on this, this entire list will get downloaded in your laptop, in your computer as an Excel sheet. Now, what exactly this list is and how you should make use of it, let's see that. So as per this list, what it says that if you want to do computers, once again, when I say computers, I mean all of them, okay? So if you want to do computers, the first college, the best college is VJTI. If you want to do computers, the second best college is SPIT. The third is DJ. Okay. Now we have given the information over here. Now, how exactly will you fill this information in your options list? So let's see that also. Sorry. So see, this is a part of that website I have pasted over here. Okay. Now, when you're filling your option list, what you will do is you will do this. You will put VJTI computers as your first option. You will put VJTI IT as your second option. So on the website, we had mentioned only VJTI, but in VJTI Comms IT, both are there. So in your option list, you will try this way, VJTI Comms, VJTI IT. Now, if you don't get in VJTI, let's go to the next college, which is SPIT. So now on our website, we had mentioned this. So what this means is that in SPIT, computers is there and these streams are also there. Okay. So you will now mention number 3, SPIT comms. Unfortunately, in SPIT college, IT field, information technology is not there. So your number 4 will be SPIT. Okay, this one, that is computer science engineering, artificial intelligence, machine language. Number 5, SPIT, computer science engineering, data science. So now we have exhausted all the options of VJT SPIT. So let's go to the next college, which is DJ Sangvin Vilepal. Now, whatever colleges you see over here, I'm sorry, whatever colleges you see in this list, in all these colleges, whatever colleges you see in this list, in all these colleges, computer engineering is there, IT is there, and apart from that, these are the additional streams which are over there. There are only 2 colleges in which IT is not there, and that is SPIT and LT. Apart from that, computer engineering, pure computer engineering, and IT is present in all these colleges. Okay. So now if it is DJ Sangvi, what you will do, in your option form, option number 6 will be DJ Sangvi. Option number 7 will be again DJ Sangvi, but 6 will be DJ Sangvi computer, 7 will be DJ Sangvi IT, 8 will be DJ Sangvi AIDS, 9th will be this, 10th will be this, 11th will be this. So that is the way you will fill the option form using the table of our website. So now see, you don't need to do any research. All you need to do is just figure out what stream you want to go for, and then just use this table which we have curated over here. Okay. Now, I hope you understood how to do this, but there's one more thing I want to tell you. I hope you know that in almost every stream, in every college, 5% of the seats, 5% extra seats are reserved for TFWS candidates. So TFWS stands for Tuition Fee Waiver Scheme. And for Tuition Fee Waiver Scheme, you need to mention in your option form separately. So listen to this carefully. So let's say your family income is less than 8 lakhs and you also have the income certificate with you. So now you are eligible to apply for TFWS. So now, how will you fill the option form? How will you fill the option form now? So it will be this way. Pay attention. Let me just erase these. Okay, I'll erase these numbers. So let's see how to fill the option form now. So now your first option will be, pay good attention, VJTI computers TFWS. So for TFWS, the option needs to be mentioned separately. Then this will become your second option. Then the third option will be VJTI IT TFWS. Then this will become your fourth option. So basically what you will do is before each option, you will mention the same option, but for TFWS. Okay. Or I think over here, a better thing to do is, I just thought of this right now. Okay. A better thing to do is that instead of first mentioning VJTI COM TFWS, then VJTI COM, then VJTI IT TFWS, then VJTI IT. Okay. A better thing to do is that you mention all the TFWS options first itself. Okay. So now I slightly change this. Okay, I slightly change this. So now what you can do is you can make this one as your first option, this as your second option. Then what you will do, you will write SPIT COM TFWS. Then SPIT again TFWS. Then fifth one SPIT, this one TFWS. Okay, so that way what you do, you mention all the possible options, okay, which you can think of with TFWS. And once you do that, Any guesses what you will do after that? See, these are all your options with TFWS. Okay, let's say you have listed only the 7 options. Okay, you don't want to go for the 8th one. So now what you will do is, now, just a minute. Now what you will do is, now you will mention all these options again without TFWS. So your eighth option will be VJTI computers. Your ninth option will be VJTI IT. So these will be the options without TFWS. So why you should do the ordering this way? Because first, what the DTE software, what the CET cell software will do, it will explore whether it can give you any TFWS seat. And if TFWS seat is not available, then it will start searching for the normal seat. Okay, so I hope you understood how to fill the option form. Finally, you must be wondering that over here, why are we not asking you? You must be wondering that over here, why are we not asking you about your CET score? We are not asking you about your minority status. Okay, we are just telling you to select your stream. Okay, why not? Why we are not asking you about your other details? So the thing is that we have created this list of colleges based on this 3D rule. 3D rule. So what is this 3D rule? So the 3D rule stands for dream, difficult, definite. I repeat, it stands for dream, difficult, definite. Now, what exactly this dream, difficult, and definite is? Okay. So what happens is when you are filling your option form, you should first fill all those colleges where you dream going, although your CET score may not be enough for these colleges. So for example, every student in Mumbai dreams of going to VJTI. So you should put VJTI, SPIT, and other such colleges right in the beginning. Then what you should do, you should put those colleges where it is difficult for you to get admission because your CET score is not that much. Okay. And finally, you should put those colleges where you think that you will definitely get admission. Okay. So first, what you should do, you should put 4 or 5 colleges where you dream going, but it could not be possible. Then some 4 or 5 colleges where it is difficult to get admission, not impossible. And then the ones which are definite, Okay. Now, some of you may ask me, why to put these dream colleges when I know my CET score is not that much? So my reply is, why not? Why not? Who knows? You may get lucky and you may get into the dream college. Okay. See, you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to pay anything extra to fill the options in the option form. And the government is allowing you 300 options. So why not fill it? Okay. So that's why always maintain this order. And even we have created our options list in this particular sequence using the 3D rule. Now, what is the advantage of the 3D rule? Let me quickly tell you that also. See, many a times, many parents call us and they ask us that, sir, our child has less CET score. So should we apply in this particular college? What do you think? Will we get in this particular college? So then what we tell them is that what is the harm in applying? Okay, you are not sure. Nobody knows whether your child is going to get or not going to get in any college. Okay, that depends on many factors. But if you put that option in the option form, what is the problem? No problem at all. So don't think about this thing. Okay, let this thought not come in your mind that my score is so much. So will I ever get into this college? Why should you think about it? Let the CET cell software do its work. Okay, you just need to fill the options using this sequence of 3D. So I hope this video was useful to you. Once again, in the description of this video, I have given a link of our entire seminar, which explains the entire admission process to Maharashtra engineering colleges. Do watch that video too if you have not attended our seminar. And if you wish to attend classes with us, lectures with us for first year engineering, do get in touch with us. My cell number is already listed on the website. You must have already seen it. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.